Are you wondering what VOR is and you don't know it yet? No problem. Tito Gab got you. VOR stands for VHF Omnidirectional Range, and it has a frequency of 108.0 to 117.905 megahertz. And so you are wondering, how does VOR work? Let's break it down. First, radials. Radials are the imaginary line, but how do we know which radial are we in? Let's take example of this airplane. It is going south or heading 180. So this aircraft is at the 360 radial, but the course is 180. And this another aircraft is at the south of the station and turning away. So its heading is 180 and the radial is also at 180. Just remember, if you are inbound, the course is different from radial. But if you are outbound, course and radial, the same. Line on sight depends on the aircraft's altitude or terrain. So look at this illustration. So this aircraft's altitude that gets greater reception and the reception can be blocked because of the mountains, hills, or higher structures. So last, you might be wondering what cockpit instrument does pilots use for VOR? So there are two cockpit instruments that we use. Number one is CDI, that's Course Deviation Indicator. And the another one is HSI, that is Horizontal Situation Indicator. So in case you don't know what HSI or Horizontal Situation Indicator is, that is the mix of heading indicator and CDI. So now you know, and follow for more simple aviation lessons. And this is your Tito Gab, your Tito in the cockpit.